Akwenda guchibusio mwanchu morigeria ayande naringa Omowaziri we Chisemi aiga Kenya Ezekiel Machogu mergo bayirtu kuria rero ganyako bakawikana asi school ya Gesusu abwasanya ko bakagwikirana umorobirio bogwansia obwagachi asi school yo korengana amuno Omowaziri yo nigo anyako bakawikania umorobirio bokwaniria aboroke obrachi kunyako bagwisaransira amatemu amaneyo mwako yiga amaya abwasanya ko bakakuba semia anyako bakwaneka ingobe kabare umuke kubwatikana buna nigo amatemu abereire ange kuikaboniga moiko Omowaziri yo nigo arenge no bunge kurwa Chisemi cha Baringo Florence Chematia boigo amona mo senator wensemi yo ya Baringo William Chepchumo ibwanya ko babagutarira litangani ase eskuru eyamo ya mageri ya barimu ase county ya Baringo nyuma bataracha county ya Kisii.
Are we happy? Yes. Can we indicate that we are happy? Yes. Thank you very much. We are very honored this evening. We are very much honored this evening that the Minister for Education is in our school. It is my pleasure to request him to greet the students and teachers of Gesusu High School. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much, Principal. The Gesusu family and fraternity, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. We had a function in our place known as Moi Baringo. You know Baringo County?
Yes.
Yeah, the second president of the Republic of Kenya is the one who built this school to be what it is today. Because I remember those days when a number of you were not born yet, we had fundraisings here, and when the member of parliament then was Mheshimiwa Professor Mungeri, and the courtesy of him, we even changed the name of this school from Gesusu to Moi Gesusu. And because today I was in Moi Baringo Teachers College, we had a graduation ceremony. I said I must come and say hi. I must come and give you people encouragement and say, particularly those who are in Form 4 this year, that you must work smart. You must work how? Smart. You must work how? Smart. Yes, Machogu, I come from this area. You know, this is the school where I came to primary school those many years ago. My home is 2 minutes from here, and that's why I said, as much as I'm serving the whole country, from every county, there must also be something that I must do. So that when I become an old man, at least I'm able to walk here and say, yes, we did something in this particular school that we are very much proud of.
Thank you so much. I am so delighted to be here today. Thank you, Waziri, for bringing me. I didn't know there is another Moi place here. And I am so happy to see young faces, young men who are looking forward to be the people who will be determining the destiny of this country in the future. I want to tell you, there is only one time for education, and this is the only time you have. You have only 4 years now, and the rest is going to be determined for what you do here. I want to say, in my life, I have always had a mantra that says, success is very intentional. You have to intend to succeed for you to make a difference in your life. Secondly, you can be the best student, but if you don't have discipline, the world is going to discipline you differently. I want to wish you all the best. I will come back again when you are not in a hurry to, see what your teachers are doing, and I believe they are doing very great. I am a member of parliament, Baringo County. I was the member of parliament East Africa before I was elected in the Parliament of Kenya.
Thank you for bringing us to this school. I am happy that the late President Moi was able to do something in Kisii. And today we have come to witness the great work he did when he also served his government that time as a DC in the Republic of Kenya. Point number 2 is that I am serving the great people of Baringo County